Hello friends, today we are going to prepare questions related to mathematics. These are the common questions in IELTS exam. So let's start.
Are you good at maths?
Yes, I am really good at maths. I started learning maths in 3rd standard and it was taught as a compulsory subject in my school. I find it very easy to solve some complex calculations and I use mathematics in my daily life like when I go for shopping and banking and I can really make calculations very fast. So I can say that I am really good at mathematics.
Did you like mathematics when you were at school?
In the beginning years, I didn't find it easy, so I could not get interest in mathematics. But in my 4th class, a new math teacher joined our school, and she was very kind and affectionate lady. She taught us mathematics in very interesting way, and she also gave us practice with some easy sums to solve. And with her help, I started gaining interest in mathematics, and after that, I started liking mathematics.
What was your teacher like?
In our school, every year a new teacher taught us mathematics. Some of them were very intelligent, some of them were kind and affectionate, and frankly speaking, I didn't like some of them. But most of my mathematics teachers were really good. But I admire one of them. She taught us mathematics in 6th and 9th standard, and her way of teaching was so admirable. She always taught the class by giving some examples from the daily life, and the skills of mathematics which I learned from that teacher, I have not forget till now.
What kinds of things did you learn in maths?
I learned a number of things from the simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division to the advanced forms like algebra, trigonometry, mensuration, arithmetic, probability, statistics, and geometry. I also learned about different shapes, finding area, volume. I learned a number of things.
Did you use a calculator when learned maths?
In our school, calculator was not allowed. So we always had our calculations manually and we applied the mathematics skills which we learned. So I didn't use calculator at my school.
Do you find it difficult to do calculations?
Well, some of the calculations which are really very complex, I find it difficult to solve the complex calculations, but I can make the easy calculations very fast.
How do you calculate difficult sums?
As I have told you that I learned a number of mathematics skills at my school, I try to solve the complex calculations by applying the formulas and the skills which I have learned at school. And if I face difficulty, then I can also use calculator to solve the complex calculations. And now these days we have computer and internet, which is making easy to solve all the complex things. So sometimes I use computer and internet for making my calculations easier.
Do you think maths is an important subject for children to learn?
Yes, mathematics is really important because it helps the children to develop their intelligence. Mathematics develop their cognitive as well as intellectual skill. They start making reasoning, they can compare, and they can learn some skills which are really used in their life. So, for this reason, mathematics is taught as a compulsory school subject in most of the countries.
Why do you think children should learn maths?
Mathematics is the subject which is used in our daily life. Like when we go for shopping, we can have some idea about the selling price and cost price of the product. If the product is available on the discount, then we can calculate its profit percentage. And if we are good at mathematics, then there are lesser chances of getting cheated by the shopkeeper. So mathematics is also used when we are measuring anything, when we are finding the quantity, when we go to bank to deposit some money or get an idea about the interest. So mathematics is used in several ways in our daily life. So for all these reasons, I can say that children must learn mathematics.